Is this what real pain looks like? Is it? It's Halo Infinite, guys. It runs terribly. So today we're testing this out on my Intel Core i7-4790 with the AMD RX570 4GB VRAM graphics card. We're basically running everything on the lowest preset. We have resolution scaling down to 70%, and I still don't think I can run the damn game. It takes up way too much RAM. I only have 8GB of it, and that's a bad thing. We're about to get into some gameplay, so you're about to see some real pain. Just stay tuned for some real pain, guys. I'm serious. It does not run. I don't think I can run it. I don't think I can manage it, to be honest with you. I don't know why I did that. I'll disable some of this stuff because I don't really want it, but I don't think this doesn't make any difference. Anyway, let's get into it. It's Halo. With those settings on the low, we're getting somewhere close to 30 FPS.
Look at this place. It's so full of more monsters coming to kill us.
So I actually had to use something to actually limit my frame rate. So whenever my RAM goes to 93%, my system will wipe it clean just to give me some more performance. And obviously, as you can see, it ain't helping much. Even with the resolution scaling down and everything, my CPU is being pushed to its absolute limit right now. I actually didn't even overclock it. I didn't let it do its boost clock. I have it started at 3.6 gigahertz. Just because it's too much. But this is Halo. This is my experience of Halo Infinite, guys. It's not great. It's shocking because this is the open world section. I didn't record the opening level because it played at 50 to 60 FPS the entire time, and I was just like, oh, this is gonna be cool. This is playing like this. I don't have to worry about anything, right? And then it turns out I did. It turns out only pain was waiting for me. Like this isn't great. The open world isn't great, guys. The open world isn't great. Holy crap, why are there enemies all the way over there? And I don't have a sniper. Yes, I do. I mean, this crap locks on to people, though, to be fair. I'm gonna need you with those shields to not. I tried recording this the day before to upload this. Unfortunately, it crashed my computer because I didn't have the thing going to stop it from doing this. The thing about it is the opening level played so smooth. It really tricked me. It really tricked me into thinking, hey, I could play some Halo. Honestly, I'm scared to even drop the resolution down to 720p without this game crashing. I'm very scared to do this, but we are running on a capture card, so this is how the game will naturally perform. Which I don't know if it's a good thing. Oh crap, enemies over here too. Oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap. Just let me build my shields back up, please. Please. Thank you. I mean, to be fair, it's playing a lot smoother. It's playing smoother than it did before. Holy crap, there's enemies everywhere. It's definitely playing smoother than it did before. Like I said, it crashed last time. With the memory duct, that memory duct actually is helping me. Like, whoa! What the heck happened there? Who's shooting at? Oh, someone from above. Seriously, you survived 2 shots? Listen, I'm not even a Halo player, really. But man, I didn't expect it to push me to this limit, man. Oi! I'm gonna need you to come over here and die. Well, I switched. I didn't reload. And there's another enemy on the left. Of course there is. Oh crap, someone's right here. Is it just me or the enemies are just always around? I mean, this is a great benchmark though. Really shows you what it's doing. I feel like it's come a little bit more into its own now, but the CPU, once again, the CPU is really being hammered here. Oh, oh. Play Halo like this. I didn't expect this. This really needs to pass. This needs to be optimized. Crazy. Let's just jump around from those guys. There you go. Alright, so how do I get up there without those guys killing me? Where am I getting shot from? I'm getting shot again. Oh, brute. Well, he came out of nowhere, didn't he? This is Halo, guys. Halo Infinite. I hope you guys enjoyed this. And once again, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. I doubt this will even run on integrated graphics. I don't even want to dare think about that. Oh, nice! I took care of everyone. Great. Good. I don't have to worry about people firing from above. Do you? How did I die? Did the same guy kill me from behind again? And look, more people were coming again, dude. Oh, like I said, I don't really play Halo, but damn, this is really more of a run and gun and hide. I thought I was supposed to be Master Chief, man. I can do anything. Clearly not. God, that takes care of all of them. Please tell me he died. Please tell me he died. I think it's time to pick up the pulse carbon instead. I think. Thank you. I was waiting for that. I was waiting for that. Someone's using a needler? Where the heck are you? Oh. What it tells me to do. Look at that. There's a bunch of enemies coming to me. That didn't blow up. Oops. I mean, it's playing. This is if you want to play Halo, guys. This is Halo Infinite on the RX570. I doubt this can run on integrated graphics. You do? I think you did. So I decided just to show you this area because this area, like I said, this is an intense area, as you can see. I felt like this was a perfect area to show you guys. But what I'm gonna do now, just for the heck of it, because I'm gonna end the video here, because this I'll do multiple videos on Halo Infinite, obviously, but for the most part, what I want to show you now is me dropping the resolution down and hoping that it works. That thing definitely helped. Definitely helped. Pressing any. Okay, you went a bit crazy. You went a bit crazy with it. You definitely went a bit crazy with it. So we can do 1024 by 768. I mean, does that work? Why is it like this? How does that play? Feels smoother. I won't lie. Definitely feels smoother. Still crazy though. Let me get into a fight real quick. Why do I see 1,000 enemies? Are they ahead of on top? I feel like they are. I feel like I'm gonna die if I go up there. And okay, let's go. Just for the heck of it. Oh crap, they were. Okay, this feels smoother, to be honest with you. I'm out of bullets. Again. Oh no. Let's get him, boy. I mean, do you really get me though? I don't feel like you did. Nice. Run away. I know I was gonna run out of ammo at some point. Oh crap, come on! Okay. That felt smoother, which
That's the
isn't
last
great.
of them.
Is it safe?
Is anything? Don't answer that.
That's a question. That's questionable. That felt smoother, but that's about it. This is what we get, guys. This is the Halo Infinite everyone's been talking about. Not the best. Not the best. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed that. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, stick around for more epic content. This is not the best you ever tried doing a benchmark, dude. Halo Infinite, man. 80 and 8, 80 and 8. Hey, we'll do that 1080p just for the heck of it, I guess.
If you can find me somewhere to hack in, I think I can guarantee this base will be safe for your friend to land.
I can't even keep 30 FPS casually. Before any enemies on screen, it won't even do 30 FPS. Guys, no. I'll see you guys next time. This has been Halo Infinite.